Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. This is our special edition every week. Once a week, we do it PANATTONI CAFE, and always a pleasure to be here and with the Breakfast Club. Great breakfast this morning. Winston, how you doing? How was your weekend?
I'm all right, Craig. Thanks. Yeah. How are you?
Good, good. It looks like we're here in the dead of winter now. Lots of snow in Warsaw. So nice to see.
Yeah, winter's arrived. Yeah.
Nice to drive around in. Very cold. Very cold wind.
Yeah, it's freezing.
But a lot happening. We just got back from Cannes. That's why we're doing the show on Tuesday instead of Monday. Big week last week. Some rain down there. Some rain. A little bit of also sun and some nice weather too. But great few days in Cannes. Great few days at MAPIC. MAPIC is always kind of like the kickoff even to our event. Yeah, I mean it becomes sort of a retail season after investment season. So. Good to see, and a lot of new retailers coming to the market, a lot looking to expand. I'd say that was the big, let's say the big take from MAPIC is just talking to so many retailers looking to come into Central Eastern Europe. Not only they're expanding, I'd say globally, but Poland is one of the big markets. Poland, Czech, Hungary, of course, Serbia, Romania, also good, and they're also looking at Scandinavia, the Baltics, and Germany. A lot of them are interested in coming into Germany. So great to see. Great to talk to so many new retailers that are coming to the region. So I'd say, all in all, very positive experience. A lot of tech companies seem to be doing well. A lot of new innovations on the market, especially for retail. A lot of them will be visiting us at our Retail Awards and in our retail marketplace in Prague. But first, it's our Retail Awards coming February 8th here in the Intercontinental in Warsaw. Come along to this event. We've already got a record number of retailers confirmed coming. And these guys are all looking for new locations. Quite a few web-based brands as well, and quite a few brands looking to find partners. Looking to open up in Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, big markets there as well. So a lot happening here in December. We got, I think, another couple of weeks before everyone goes on holiday. So if you haven't, if you've got something in retail, either locations, retailers are really looking for the right places these days. That's what I found. It's not so much they want to open hundreds. A few, of course, do. But some are really looking for the right locations and the right owners to deal with. Also, quite a few owners down there as well, with some opportunities for new retailers. Everyone, of course, is looking for new concepts, new ideas. So really, a lot based around that for MAPIC as well. Great to see. So yeah, it was really 3 full days of meetings. Even on Thursday, the last day, still busy all morning. A lot going on. Of course, it was raining on Thursday, so that might have helped too to keep the fair active. We distributed over 1,200 magazines, so another big distribution of our EuropaProperty retail guides, which of course we'll be also distributing at our CEE Retail Awards in February here in Warsaw. So if you haven't seen the website yet, go visit our website. It's retailawards.eu, or just give us a call. I'll be happy to send you some information on it. Great opportunities. I think, Winston, we're still taking nominations for this. Is that correct?
Yeah, the nominations still coming in.
Still nominations for retailers. I saw a lot of retailer awards as well. But we'll come back a little bit on what we're doing for next year. But Winston, why don't you let us know about the headlines for today?
Yeah, so the headlines for today from the EuropaProperty.com website include SMO has sold the Eurocenter in Zagreb, Croatia. Galeria Tarnovo has got a new owner in Poland. Charles Irving Group and Art Capital Markets form a new alliance, and Marcus Schulter has become Chief Financial Officer at Deutsche PFAN Briefbank, and Register pursues growth plan in Poland.
Oh, great. So a lot going on. So we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with the news. So welcome back, and here we are with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, in kicking off December with the news for the week. So let us know what we have for today.
Thanks, Craig. So yes, SMO sold the Eurocenter office building in Zagreb, Croatia, and this is a 9,000 square meter building, and it's got an asset value of 26 million euros, and the buyer is Atlantic Grupa, and SMO is making use of this sale and the positive momentum it's got in the country. And it says that Croatia's entry into the Eurozone early this year and the favourable timing and the life cycle of the property means it was a really good time to sell the asset. And it's, of course, importantly, it's fully leased. And SMO say the transaction is in line with our adjusted strategy and generates liquidity for investments in other core markets of SMO.
Yeah, and I remember that project because I was there for the opening. They invited us down.
Right.
So very nice building. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been open a while.
Yeah, I think 2009 maybe.
Sounds about right. They invited us down for the opening, and yeah, we did some photos, and great, they've sold it off now.
Yeah, it took them a while to lease it, but now it's sold. Good. So moving to Poland, and Galeria Turnover has been bought by a London-based European investment company. The mall was commissioned in 2009 and offers around 17,000 square meters of GLA with 60 shops. The project was originally developed by TK Development, and the new investor plans to optimize the facility by increasing commercial space with new retailers and a cultural offer. And Cushman & Wakefield is the partner which is going to help with the commercialization of the gallery. And according to them, Gallery Turnover has a great potential to expand its tenant portfolio so as the centre can respond even better to needs of its local customers. So yeah, these value-add developments are very good opportunities for investors, it seems, throughout the region.
Well, you said TK Development. We hadn't heard them for a while. That's a name I hadn't heard for a bit.
Right, I think they left Poland.
Yeah. But it's been
under a dark cloud, perhaps.
Yeah, sometimes that happens, But yeah, good. But they built some nice projects back then. And,
they built some projects back then, and yeah, these projects are coming up for they need a bit of love and care and attention, and they're attractive to investors looking for these kind of value-add opportunities.
Yeah, I remember they always had good locations.
Good. That's very important for retail these days.
Well.
Moving on, and Charles Irving Group and ARC Capital Markets have announced an alliance. The collaboration combines the strengths of the two firms to provide clients with access to a broader base of investors and lenders. And according to David Cunnington, founder of Charles Irving Group, by joining forces, we are creating a powerhouse of expertise that will enhance our capabilities in serving clients with top advisory services in the capital markets arena. And Neil Gregory Eves, co-managing partner of ARC Capital Markets, added, together we bring clients a wealth of equity raising and debt advisory experience that enables us to collectively offer a comprehensive suite of capital market solutions.
Yeah, well, Neil always has a good, pretty professional team over there. So they've been doing a lot of things in Central Eastern.
Yeah, and they're pooling their contacts. And so, yeah, it's bound to generate more business.
Yeah.
Moving on, and Markus Schulte, a member of the management board at Deutsche Pfeffer and Beef Bank, has been appointed Chief Financial Officer. He will take over this function from Andreas Arndt, who previously held the roles of both Chief Executive Officer and Chief Financial Officer. Andreas will retire at the end of February 2024 and hand over the position of Chief Executive Officer to Kay Wolf. Markus Schulte has been a member of the management board since 2019, and he joined PBB as Senior General Manager at the beginning of 2017 from Credit Suisse. And finally for today, Regista, a growing logistics service provider in Poland, will lease around 22,000 square meters of warehouse space in Panattoni Park, Zagreb. In Central Warehouse will support its 4 existing warehouses across Poland, with another 2 under construction, and the tenant was advised by Newmark Polska. And according to Marcin Stoszak, COO of Regista, we effectively pursue our growth plan in Poland following our success in northern and southern Poland. We decided to start operations in central Poland. This will open up new opportunities for us and act as a link for our operations in Silesia, the Tri-City and Krakow.
Well, it just shows the logistics market is doing well still. Yeah,
there's a lot of land to cover for sure.
Yeah, and there was a little bit of talk about that at MAPIC. Usually they're only talking about the stores, but it's becoming more and more, more and more discussions about last mile and how they're going to actually deliver these products fast to clients ordering them online. Click and collect, last mile, even with InPost was mentioned.
And so what was the main one? Just build closer to the population centers? Or?
Yeah, but it's cost more money. Yeah, it's higher rents, but better profit, they were saying. Put it closer, and also it's cheaper for the retailers, for the delivery. So anyway, a lot of things going on here in this December. So if you're driving, stay safe and driving these roads and keep warm, and we will see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.